Last European Championship, England beat Croatia by 4-2 in a match in Lisbon. In 4 years' time, on from that game in Euro 2008, England, I'm sure, won't be there. A Wembley farewell for David Beckham, probably. He leaves the field on 99 caps. And this, the story of England's despair. Scott Carson, first save he's had to try and make. The shot from Nico Kranjčar beat him. Bridge played Olic onside for 2-0. England with so much work to do. It looked as though they'd done it. Lampard's penalty 11 minutes into the second half, followed by Peter Crouch's goal. 2-2, Wembley erupting in delight. But Mladen Petric's goal 13 minutes from time, the moment that surely has eliminated England from the European Championships. It has to be said that England's failure to beat Macedonia at home probably was the nail in the coffin from which they have never recovered. Steve McLaren's reign as England coach, if it is to come to an end, will have come to a less than fitting end. England frustrated, bereft of so many frontline players, but that cannot be used as an excuse. In this qualifying group, England know they should have delivered. They should have made it through to the European Championships. They could still yet get there. But it does remain Andorra 0, 10-man Russia 1. And England cannot rely on an equaliser from Andorra to see them through, surely. That would be the most extraordinary passage to a major tournament in England's history. And other than Denmark qualifying through the back door for Euro 92, which they went on to win, that would be it. There is no delight, I'm afraid. Russia have beaten Andorra by a 0-0, and England are out of the European Championships. The full-time score at Wembley, England 2, Croatia 3.